The Breville Barista Touch Impress espresso machine guides you through crafting espresso beverages step by step. Let's try it out. Power up and it's ready to go in 3 seconds thanks to the thermojet heating system. There are a lot of drink options to choose from. I'll do a latte, and the barista guidance on the touchscreen will walk me through what to do. And it has an Impress puck system. The machine grinds and doses the correct amount of grounds and tells you if you need to make adjustments. And it has a handy tamp lever that applies 22 pounds of pressure with a 7-degree twist for a consistent puck. Let's do a double shot of espresso. It should flow like warm honey. Next, the auto milk texturization automatically steams the milk for me to make silky smooth microfoam. And it even has settings for non-dairy milks, and I can adjust the temperature and froth level. The steam wand goes into the milk jug, and there's a temperature sensor under the jug here. Press the milk icon, and there it goes. When done, I'll lift the wand, wipe it with a damp cloth, and lower it to the auto purge residue. Combine espresso and microfoam and enjoy.